himself. Surely they ain't letting him solo.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, it's
Now you're probably going to get some, since you've been flying with 3 different instructors, I may be saying things a little bit different, or my technique's a little bit different from somebody else's. Like right now, I'm sure they probably want you to go this way. I sort of like it stopped this way. Although you're not too bad now, I like you to be able to see downwind, base, and front on each sort of ends. Okay? And I don't know how they have you do, so, you know, I understand that it's going to be a little bit different. Look out by the wind. Like this, yeah, we'll see. got plenty of room with you.
We were a little fast. It wasn't easy.
Yeah, we were a lot fast. That's why we were. That's why you kept gaining altitude whenever you pulled back too quick.
Yeah.
Okay. So that showed you that this has to be done easily when you're close to the ground. Okay.
It's big.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think this is impressive.
You wasted a lot of time asking me to do things when you know how to do it. Okay, do your trim too. Yeah. That was good. When's the last time you flew? 2 weeks ago? 3 years ago. And well, it's 152, so it's the same thing. Except for this is a lot faster. Things happen quickly.
Yeah. I flew on the J3. I haven't flown the Cessna
Oh,
since
okay.
July.
Well, then this is twice the speed as the.
Oh, yeah. Probably the smoothest landing I've made in a while.
It was what?
The smoothest landing I've made in a while.
Well, you know what I liked about it? You stayed with it. You didn't give up. And you stayed on the center, which is very important. Most people, when they start doing all that moving around all over, up and down and stuff, they lose directional control.
Oh,
And
yeah.
they always get off at the center line. That's where you get in trouble. This time we're going to stay in the pattern, so when you announce that we're taking off 29, stay up. I'll see Butler County Traffic, Skyhawk 561, 42 knots. And we're going to do the same thing, full stop. But this time we're not going to use any flaps.
Okay. It's gonna be different.
Yep, but you got to learn how to do it. You have to execute it.
Yeah.
Check right. But you can always already do that because why? The Cub don't have any flaps.
Yeah. Is there different RPM settings or speed settings?
Your airspeeds are going to be about 5 knots faster, and that's it.
Okay.
So it should be 90 on downwind.
Alright.
Okay, when you turn base, it should go. And well, let's see. Let's try 80 on downwind.
Okay.
Whatever power setting gives you 80, and then 70 on base, 60 on final.
Alright.
So it's going to be close to those settings. It's going to be close to 2,000 on downwind. Okay, probably about 1,800 on downwind, 1,800 RPM, about 1,400 on base,
Alright.
and then maybe about 1,300 on final.
Alright.
How long does this take?
Probably about an hour and 30 minutes.
I didn't know they had that much.
Yeah.
Whatever it takes to do that, gigabytes or gigawatts,
Yeah, it only takes about 8 gigabytes.
megaphone. Okay, while you're sitting here fat, dumb, and happy, check the things that's going to kill you. What are the things that are killing you? I'm going to take
Flaps.
flaps, you go right to left. Flaps, your carb. Bam, 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 straight across. Yeah.
What are we doing?
Stop and go.
Well,
When we go in there, remind me to show you something. I got a need for it. Whenever you fly, I'll let you. Charge it up. The headsets are marvelous. I can charge it for 5 minutes.
can you give me my glasses there?
Why?
Actually, they're on.
What time is it?
It's 10:34.
Wow. We only got time for one more. Let's see what this goes.
How long it takes for them to prepare their
Yeah, he's probably doing instruments and stuff. So he's probably, I'm thinking that he may be waiting for clearance.
Just taxi. Just taxi.
Yeah. Ask him where he's taking it to. No.
I've seen this guy fly on YouTube before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
351 Victor Alpha?
Yeah.
Put yours on YouTube.
I have one on YouTube.
Do you?
Yeah.
Put this one on. I'll be able to watch it and see what happens.
Yeah.
How do I go to it? Just go to YouTube?
Just go to YouTube and then you just have to type in my username, which is DCVG Pilot.
Who?
DCVG Pilot.
DC?
DCVG as in.
That's right down on that. See, that's one of these guys that tries to act like a professional.
Yeah.
He really isn't a professional. He tries to act like a professional. Well, if he is going to instruments, I'd rather him take the time on the ground to get everything straight than in the air.
Yeah. Are we doing another run up or?
No, no. Always only just do one run up a day, or if it's been parked for a while. If you go somewhere.
Yeah. When do we start doing cross countries?
Well, typically it's not till you solo.
Yeah.
So, you know, I'm going to see how you're doing here. Then we're going to, if you want to start cross country, but that's a long period of time.
Yeah.
Well, you can go and get it done. They still scared. There's no time limit. You got to be like the written test is